Money does more than pay bills. It enters conversations. It affects moods. It tests patience. And in many homes, it quietly becomes the third person in the marriage. Many couples still love each other deeply, yet feel distant, exhausted, and misunderstood. Not because love disappeared, but because money problems slowly change the atmosphere of the home. Today, let's talk honestly about how money problems affect marriage and family, and how couples can solve them with wisdom, unity, and God at the center. When money becomes tight, peace often becomes scarce. Stress walks into the home silently. Laughter fades. Small decisions feel heavy. One partner may feel crushed by the pressure to provide. The other may feel helpless, ashamed, or afraid to ask for support. Soon, financial stress turns into emotional stress. Arguments begin over little things. Patience runs thin. Intimacy fades. The home no longer feels like a place of rest. It feels like a place of tension. Money problems can also turn partners into opponents. In some marriages, the one who earns more feels entitled to control decisions. The one who earns less feels invisible or unimportant. Words like, "I pay the bills," "You don't understand how hard I work," or "You waste money," may be spoken in frustration, but they leave wounds that money alone can never heal. Marriage was never meant to be a competition. It was meant to be a partnership. And when money replaces love, humility, and grace, the marriage begins to suffer. Then there are the children. Children may not understand finances, but they understand tension. They notice raised voices. They feel emotional distance. They sense worry, even when parents try to hide it. Some children become anxious. Some become silent. Some grow up believing that love always comes with stress. Money problems don't just affect today, they shape tomorrow. But here is a powerful truth. Money problems do not destroy marriages. A lack of unity, communication, and trust does. So how do couples solve money problems without destroying love? The first solution is inviting God into the situation. Many couples pray separately about money, but few pray together. When couples bring their worries to God together, something shifts. He brings peace where anxiety lives, wisdom where confusion exists, and unity where division has grown. God may not drop money from the sky, but He gives clarity, discipline, patience, and direction. The second solution is honest and gentle communication, not arguments, not blame, not silence. Sit down and talk, calmly and respectfully. Talk about income, talk about expenses, talk about debts, fears, and hopes. Use we instead of you. You are not enemies fighting each other. You are partners facing a challenge together. The third solution is creating a simple plan and committing it to God. A plan brings peace. Prayer brings direction. List what comes in. List what goes out. Decide together what truly matters. Ask God to help you steward what you have, even if it feels small. Faithfulness with little builds strength for more. The fourth solution is respecting each other's contributions. Contribution is not only money, emotional support matters. Caring for children matters. Managing the home matters. Encouragement matters. When couples value each other beyond income, resentment fades and love grows. The fifth solution is humility and teamwork. Pride keeps couples silent. Humility opens the door to healing. If help is needed, seek it. Learn together. Ask for guidance. There is no shame in learning how to manage money better, but there is danger in letting pride destroy peace. Finally, protect the marriage while solving the problem. Money problems are temporary, but damage to love can be lasting. Laugh together when you can. Encourage each other often. Pray together, even briefly. Remember that God brought you together, and He is faithful to carry you through. Let's reflect on what we've learned. Money problems affect emotions before finances. Silence and blame weaken marriages faster than lack of money. Children feel financial stress deeply. Unity matters more than income. God brings peace where pressure lives, and challenges faced together can strengthen love. If you're facing money problems in your marriage today, remember this. Don't let finances divide what God joined together. Choose prayer over panic, communication over conflict, teamwork over pride, and faith over fear. If this message encouraged you, like this video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more content that builds marriages and families. Your marriage is worth protecting, your family is worth fighting for, and with God at the center, your future is worth trusting together.